welcome to Quick Questions with me, Bryn Young. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out this out. Anyway, welcome to Quick Questions. All right, let's go. What is passive income? Passive income is income that comes while you're sleeping. Basically, supplemental income that you're not trading hours for dollars. So I'm going to give you some quick resources. Number one, if you're an architect, go get Eric Reinholdt's book, Entrepreneur and Architect. It's Entrepreneur plus Architect. Number two, if you're anybody, listen to Smart Passive Income podcast. I think he has a book too, by Pat Flynn. Check out his blog. He has a blog too. 3, Mind Your Business podcast by James Wedmore. He talks all about passive income, online courses, and mindset. I really like some of his older podcast episodes. They're really good. Some of his new ones are more on mindset and spirituality, which they're good too, but I think more for passive income, look at some of his old ones.